So once you have your stud in place, you just need your, well, in this case, I'm just going to use a regular washer, but you will get a lock washer in place of that. You run down the nut with your fingers. Once it's hand tight, then you have to run it down with the wrench. Anyway, once you start tightening it down, the head will automatically sink in. And you know you have tightened it enough once the head is perfectly flush with the top surface. And the profile view will probably be best for that. Let's see if I can get this thing to focus. So that still looks a little high for me. So I'm gonna run it down a little more. Right there. It's basically flush. Your center is not pulled in, not like that at least. So that's enough. You don't need to tighten it any more than that. You can see these two are kind of the same. And that's it.